Hi, I'm Madame Pamita, and I love teaching about magic. If you have a question about spells, the law of attraction, spirituality, witchcraft, Slavic folk magic, spirits, divination, you can join me on Sundays at the Live Magic Q&A where we record an episode of my podcast, Magic and the Law of Attraction, and then I answer your questions on anything mystical or magical live over Zoom. Just go to spellsquad.com to get the link to join me in the clubhouse. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and click the bell icon so you get a gentle, magical reminder and you'll be the first witch to see whenever anything new goes up. Here's a great tidbit from one of our past Q&As answering a really important spiritual question. Nirvana has a question. What is a good spell to bring the correct employees for a new project I'm starting? It's arts related. Would the cat or the fox be good candles, or should I try something else? Gosh, there's a lot of options for that. And bringing a person to you, the cat is fantastic. So the cat candle spell, lucky cat candle spell, people kind of don't know about that spell. It's kind of a hidden gem at the shop. So that candle spell kit is has a beautiful spell for bringing something to you, right? That's what a cat does. So if you live with cats like I do, my cats are indoor outdoor cats. They like to run around outside in the backyard and in the neighborhood, and then they come back at night and I feed them, and then they go out and have their fun during the day, right? So when I'm at home and the cats are around, sometimes I'll hear this and I go, uh-oh, what's going on? It's a weird noise. And I know what that noise means. And sure enough, I look out the window and somebody's caught a bird, somebody's caught a lizard, somebody's caught a cricket, somebody's got something that they want to share with me. And they're proud about it too. So cats like to go get things, creatures. I used to have a cat that used to get leaves and she'd bring me leaves. She was so cute. So they bring you leaves, they bring you lizard tails, they bring you all kinds of things, and they bring something to you, right? That's what a cat does. So the cat candle spell is about bringing you something, right? Bring something to me. You're asking the cat spirit, the cat power animal to bring you something. So for example, you could bring a new love into your life with a cat candle. You could bring a new job to yourself. You could bring followers and fans. You could bring, the possibilities are endless. Money, you could bring good luck to yourself. I mean, you could bring all kinds of things. So the cat candle, in terms of bringing a person, I would say, what would we want? I mean, I almost want to say you think about like the people you're going to work with. You want them to be creative. So you could use a blue cat. You want them to be nice. So you could use a pink cat, which is like friendship and that's warm feelings. You want them to be successful. You could bring a yellow cat, so you could choose a color based on what's most important to you. And here's the trick. Get the cat candle spell kit, right? Add a booster pack of the other things that you want. So let's say you want to bring people that are going to be lucky for your production, the thing that you're working on. But you also want them to be nice people. So you could pick a pink cat candle and then add the good luck booster pack to that candle spell, turns it into a deluxe spell, by the way, but it also brings that other element and can customize it for you. So that's how you use a booster pack and a spell kit. So there you go. But that cat candle will be really good. The fox candle is for getting quick results on something. I don't know if you need these people right away and it's like an emergency. If so, then yes, bring the fox into the picture, but it sounds like the cat is more of what you need.